Okay, so what's supposed to happen is the marble is falling in this cup, which triggers this cup to go up, which the sensor senses, and then triggers this, which falls all the way here, knocking the dominoes, hitting the lever, and triggering this sensor that triggers this conveyor belt that makes water and a ball fall into his face.
Oh, man.
I need to. It didn't.
Jeez.